What's going on, bitches? Welcome back to part something of this Athens series. I've just found my house.
The Sanctuary of Zeus.
Or the Sanctuary of Zeus, rather. So we're still on a little walk back from the Acropolis, but we're taking our time. Just had a nice coffee and something called a milk cake, which tasted divine. Nick had a beer because he's got a drink problem.
Casual, it's 5 PM somewhere, so...
Yeah, it's 5 PM somewhere, so he's cool.
It's always, on holidays you've got to do it, innit?
Yeah. Because we're on holiday and we're exploring. Right, so some of these are like restaurants and stuff, and there's a couple of small businesses over there, and there's literally olive trees everywhere. So Nick is guiding us down. And we'll take you along with us as we explore the streets of Athens right now to our next location. So see you in a moment. I think I just walked from that. Perfect place to chill out and read a book. Anyway, this is where Nick wants to go now, so there's loads of stuff to check out in this area. Again, more ruins and stuff, which you'll learn more about once we're inside, but let's investigate what the ticket price is. Olive tree. Check out what the ticket prices are like. Right, we're in. So what is this called?
This is the Ancient Agora.
The Ancient Agora, and tickets are €20, which is
Agora.
like £17, 30 pence maybe.
So both of them is €50.
So we spent €50 today, which is 42 quid.
Yeah, 44 maybe.
And look at this, guys. Wow, 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 wow. Mamma mia. So the weather is absolutely gorgeous right now, which we didn't expect the weather to be so nice. Apparently tomorrow is going to be a bit drizzly, but it's gone down from 95% potential rain to like 25% potential rain tomorrow, so there might not be rain at all. Let's do a time lapse. Oh, you just look at that view. So if you looked in like one of our past videos, we walked down here, around the back here, all the way around the back of the Acropolis there and up the other side, and then we drop down here and then come in over the park here. So there's a little train that goes across there, which you've seen in a past video, but this is what the €20 gives us access to. And it's 1 o'clock right now. Back home in the UK it is, gosh, back home it's midday. But anyway, let's look at this. Just a little time lapse of this, which you guys just saw, but you can see how old it is because of the amount of corrosion on the figures. Alright?
Yeah.
Do we get access to all that down there?
Yeah.
Alright.
You notice the
Looks like it's been a fire.
the figures inside?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I saw around the corner, it looks like there's like wrestling and then there's on horses and stuff like that, so I don't know if it's to do with like sport or...
That looks like it's wrestling there, doesn't it? It looks like it's been burned.
Yeah, that's what I thought. It's either burned or it's like a really dark algae. When you look inside, it's still got...
Oh yeah, there's like fighting and shit going on there. Absolutely incredible. Is the train just going over there? I think I prefer this to Rome.
Yeah?
Yeah. The Greeks have impressed me to a point where I think I prefer it here than Rome.
I'm wearing my glasses then. Can you cut?
Gyros. The Gyros monster has spoken.
My games.
Games. Oh.
Games in waiting, alright. Strolls like this, you've got your olive trees and some of the fauna coming back. You're not all the trees back.
This is beautiful. So you can imagine like loads of people around you doing all sorts of things, marketplaces, homes. I don't know what that is. Tholos. It's just nice walking through here, like, you know. That's where we just were there with the time hyperlapse. There's probably all drainage systems and all sorts going through here. House of Simon. Look at that with the Acropolis behind it. Beautiful. But if you want a more in-depth sort of like look on this, check out Nick's channel, because he did ancient history in university, so he's probably got a much deeper insight and a comprehension about what's going on around me here. But yeah, it's literally 12 o'clock now, just gone 12 o'clock here, so I'm on my third video today, I think. But yeah, let's keep exploring. See, he's right in his element there.
Has the Hadrian's Wall in Scotland, or the divide between Scotland and England?
I've just discovered the altar of Zeus. Oh Heavenly Father Zeus, give me the power, the power, the power, the power, the power of the potato. How cool is that? I guess people used to come here and pray on the altar. It's not much here anymore though. There was a sign over there pretty much explaining that when they put the railway system in here, they accidentally damaged some of the infrastructure, so that's twice now. I've read stories about the infrastructure being damaged. Yeah.
So, you see, these are tied into these. This is actually a later building.
So these are like Roman residents here. As you can see just by looking at the walls, very different to the type of walls you would find like over here. The Romans kind of just grab any sort of stone, lump it together with some clay, I guess. There's even a bit of flint hiding in there. We've got this gorgeous olive tree again right here. But yeah, this is like a Roman settlement area. But we're going to work our way around, we're not going to rush. I head on up to the pillars up by here. And then I think the exit to this is on the far end, but I hope you're enjoying this little walk around with us. I'm trying to let this area speak for itself rather than me speak for it, because I might end up talking smack. But as you can see, there's on the other side, this is a railway track, and the railway track literally goes through a ton of ruins. It's a sign up there saying they accidentally destroyed some stuff. But as you can see, there's a corner plinth here, which marks out where a building probably used to be. But I'll see they put the railway straight through the house. It's all tree here. There we go, the Temple of Ares, God of War. Which is just the bare bones of it now. There's probably multiple temples like this all around here.
I think so.
Okay. Absolutely fascinating.
So I want to go up to the building up there first, up to there, and then go into the museum anyway.
Alright. Look at this. Wow, wow, wow. This place is wicked, but to get out we have to go back the way we came, so there's a few other things we'll see before we leave here. But I'll show you the interesting stuff. Doo-doo. Yeah, so Nick just had a bollocking for filming in the museum. Right, so we just finishing off this last portion. I think Nick wants to just go to this house by here, and I think that's going to be it for this video. It is actually getting quite warm as well, so need to get some water in me at some point. I do have a bottle on me, just in case some of you are concerned. But yeah, let's finish off this last bit. Ooh. But yeah, come with me. You right, boyo?
Yeah, this is a modern thing there, so it's I think it's Chinese influence. Socrates on the left, and Conicus on the right.
Alright. So where's the Welsh influence?
Oh, me, of course.
The god of steer. I know.
Worshipped by none, revered by all.
Exactly. What did she mean by closed? I mean, it's okay.
It's not open.
Alright.
It's in the doors.
This is a well.
I am not sure. I know, I see the building.
This looks Roman again.
Yeah, it's a mix, so imagine...
Did the Greeks fall and the Romans rocked up? Or did they integrate?
I think the Roman Empire took over.
Because they did those for heat, didn't they? Like the heat stuff. Yeah. It's like being in Killeen again, guys.
Looks like an oven sort of thing there. That sort of curvature.
Yeah. Do you know?
far later.
We have 104% left on this.
I've always gone through my consumer battery.
Yeah. Endura. Right, let's talk to you lot then. Hope you enjoyed this video. I don't know what's happening after this one.
Probably a walk back through the streets of Athens, maybe back to our hotel, drop off the gear, charge up, have a shower, go get some grub.
And then 4 more videos. 8 videos in the first 24 hours. Nah.
No, it'll probably be a lot more shorts probably in the evenings.
We're not rushing this. We've done what we've come out to do, but I mean, if there's more content done, then it just happens. Whew.
There's so much to take in, so much to see and do. I still like the fact that even in this sprawl of a city, we've got such nice green areas. Obviously, you have to pay to come in, but there's still quite a lot of parks here as well. So
Aye.
it breaks it up a bit, doesn't it?
It does indeed. You want to be careful on there.
Get told off.
Told us off for filming. Huh?
Yeah.
It's actually a good shot there. So there's loads of little paths that weave in and out there.
Yeah.
Just getting another photo, yeah. Lovely. Anyway, my battery on this camera is really like super low, so I don't want to get to a point where I have to charge it to say goodbye to you lot. So I might as well just do my outro by here. So thanks for watching. Hope you tune in next time. And like I always say, if you didn't like the video, just don't waste your time coming here. Go to his channel instead.
If you like buying and selling, that's my bag.
Yeah, if you want to buy some shit and sell some shit, that's the way to go. Yeah, if you want to make a small income on the side, go and check out Nick's channel. But yeah, peace and love. Bonus clips. Look how mad this guy's shop is. Absolutely fantastic. Selling everything. Right here in the heart of Athens, Greece. What an amazing little city this is. Nick's buying the goods.
I just thought they looked cool.
Yeah.